there lived a little red squirrel named Sammy, and very fond of acorns. But Sammy had one problem. He never wanted to share. While scurrying through the trees, Sammy stumbled upon something extraordinary. A tall, its branches sparkled under the sunlight, heavy with golden acorns. His tiny paws trembled with excitement, he thought. He began gathering every single one, stuffing them into his cheeks and burying them in secret spots. Benny the bunny hopped over. Those acorns look special.
Can I have just one? Sammy chattered. Finders keepers.
Lily the bird perched on a branch. Sharing is caring, but Sammy ignored them and kept hoarding.
Sammy's secret stashes grew, but so did his troubles. The golden acorns were strangely heavy.
Climbing trees became exhausting, and his burrows were so full he could barely sleep. His friends stopped visiting. Sammy sat alone, feeling emptier than ever. A cold wind blew. What's the point of all these acorns if I have no one to enjoy them with? He made a decision. Friends, I'm sorry. As soon as he placed an acorn in Benny's paws, it glowed and split open, revealing a sweet honey nut. Lily pecked at another. The acorns transformed into delicious treats. The animals cheered, and Sammy's heart felt lighter than ever. Sammy still collected acorns, but he always left some for others. And the lesson Sammy never forgot: word count.